Hi, I'm Charles from Motorhome and Caravan Pads. We're based in Shropshire. We have introduced into the industry a new pad for spreading the load of your motorhomes and your caravans, your corner steadies and your hydraulic outriggers. The product is made from HDPE, which is high density polyethylene. Each pad will take a load of 4 tons. We have 3 different types. We have a straight flat pad, a pad with a square recess. This is for caravans that have square feet. We have another product which has a round recess, and the recess is 250 millimeters diameter, which is in line with the dimension of most round feet, hydraulic feet. Recess is just for peace of mind, and it does add some stability as well. But once you've put 4 to 5 tons on one of these pads, it won't move. So the price of our pads, they're sold singularly, but they're also sold in a set of 4. Price for a set of 4 is £86, that's the recommended retail price. But for the Motorhome and Caravan show, we're selling for £60, that's inclusive of VAT, and that's your take-home price.